Hey everyone, today we talk about the Tfuel and the Theta and also the gold version in the crypto for the hedging inflation. So the first about the Theta, we have the Theta event in the 28th September. So the next 2 weeks, maybe there gonna be a slightly pump for the Theta. I'm not saying the Theta is back to bullish, but at least to approaching the event for the Theta, it's gonna be good. So the Theta and the Tfuel is gonna be the Theta full gonna be the good and maybe we have the bull scenario. So I told you about the down scenario. I also told you about the bull scenario because we have this event. But that not necessarily that the theta is going up. You know about the Ethereum merging. The Ethereum merging in makes the Ethereum crash. So maybe there's gonna be a slightly pump before the day gonna be the crash. And after that I have the PAXG Gold. PAX Gold is the crypto but in the gold version in crypto. And if you compare the gold against the PAX USD, it's one versus one, so it's gonna be the price same, but you can buy in the crypto method. The first about the Tfuel. So the Tfuel in here, you can find that previously we have the strong support in here. We are retesting so many times, and the last one that we are retesting here, there's no guarantee that we're gonna retest and going up. It's possibly that we are just going up just to break this line, and the plan is we are going to this one. But remember, if we cannot hold this line and we are still breakdown, the next support is around this one and this one. So around 0.04 or 0.0, yeah, 0.39 or 443. Okay, but I hope that approaching the new event for the Theta, that Theta full can going up and also the Theta USD. As I told you that we have this going sideways, it's still possible that we are retesting to going up before we are going down. But you need to remember that this is still in the borderline. Okay, we have to higher this segment in here, and 0.8 I think still the best time for you to entry if we can going to 0.8 in here. Okay, and that's the update about the Theta and the fall. But if you ask me what to choose, the fall or the Theta, I think the fall is much better because they're gonna be pumped higher than the Theta itself. Okay, but the higher and then the risk, the more risk is there. And the last is about the PAX USD. So this is the price for the PAX USD. So it is a gold, and you can check that the gold from this to bottom. And if you go into this one, you type the PAX gold divided by XAU USD, and if you entry, you're gonna find the similar. So it means that one pack equal to one gold. So this is 1.1. Okay, and it's satisfied. Yeah, maybe we can suggest slightly higher, but after that we are going down again. And then you can find that the PEG USD now around the 1654. And for the gold itself, let's find about gold. The gold itself is the 5068. So just the gap is only $4. But I think now it's a very good. If you want to hedging the inflation and you are afraid for the crypto, you can going pump and you are pumping like this one. Okay, so this is the plan, and I hope that until the next year, at least until December, we're gonna see the gold is going to up and the gold gonna back to rebound and is creating this very strong support in here, the strong support in here, and the strong support in here. Also, you have the double bottom before we are going. Okay, that's the plan. And I think today just a short video and the update because the market still look bad, but I'm still optimistic that for the Theta and Tfuel approaching the new event in here, they're gonna be the good news a bit, at least under 28 as you know, like Ethereum. Okay, the Ethereum, look, the Ethereum merging is happening in the 15th September, but nearing the 15th September, you have the down. But the problem is that you buy before and you are flying, and then you are selling at the top, and you are get almost 20%. So I'm looking for the 20% because we still have long to go for the Theta the next 2 weeks. Therefore, there is still a chance for the Theta and the full to going up. Okay, I think that's for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give your thumb like button. Thank you.